Hey y'all, it's Meso here. Come on into my kitchen today where I'm gonna be making some, I have to show you, but I promise you that it's quick, easy, it's simple, and it is delicious. So you're gonna love it, I'm gonna make it, then you're gonna make it at home. It's gonna be a beautiful thing. Come on, let's get started. We're not going to be using but a few ingredients, but it's going to get you a lot of hugs and kisses because we're going to be making something awesome here. I'm going to start off with a 8-ounce block of softened cream cheese, and I'm going to get it down into the mixing bowl. And here I have some Eagle brand milk. Now I know you saw in that original photo that I had low fat milk, but I found some full fat Eagle brand condensed milk, and you need the condensed milk, not evaporated. It has to be the sweetened condensed milk. Gonna get that down into the bowl with my cream cheese, and then I'm just gonna whisk away, honey. I'm just whirling and whirling. But look what I've got here. Old-fashioned, old-time Kool-Aid, honey. This is black cherry. And I'm gonna get both of these packs down into my bowl. That's right, I'm using Kool-Aid. I haven't bought Kool-Aid in years, but I'm using it in this recipe. I'm putting in about a teaspoon of vanilla flavoring, and I'm still whisking. Getting it all together. This is gonna be something so good. It's going to taste like you put a lot of time into it. Now I have a whole cup of confectioner powdered sugar here, but I'm only using a half cup of this in mine because my Kool-Aid is not sweetened. I imagine you could get sweetened Kool-Aid and you wouldn't have to use any sugar, but you just taste it and do it to your taste. I'm using a half cup of powdered sugar. And then I'm going to just scrape it down because I don't want all that powdered sugar hanging up against the sides of the bowl. It won't get into my mixture. That's what I want. It's got to get into my mixture. Okay. Did I tell you guys what we're making here? I don't know if I said it or not. But guess what? We are making Kool-Aid pie. Yeah. I thought it sounded kind of crazy when I first heard it. I'm putting in an 8-ounce container of whipped topping. Doesn't have to be whipped, Cool Whip. It can be great value. It can be any brand, just as long as you get some whipped topping in here. Now you don't want to put this in your mixer because you'll beat it down and it'll take all the air out of it. You want to just take your spatula and just overturn it. Go to the bottom and bring the bottom back to the top. And don't do it real fast. Do it slow. Just take your time because you want to keep that air into the whipped topping. Don't want it to go flat on you. You want to keep it airy and light. So you just take this and you mix it all in. You want to make sure you get all your color in, unless you like that kind of a swirl, sort of the red and the white mixed there together. If you do, I guess you can stop right here. Here I have a ready-made crust, honey. I'm going easy peasy today. Yeah, all the way to wheezy. I'm going real easy today. I bought this pie crust. They're really cheap. It's already in a little pan that you can use. And this is a graham cracker crust. Now, some of y'all are real fancy, got a lot of time on your hand. Go ahead and make one from scratch if you want to. But this is good right here, just like I'm doing it. So I'm getting out my mixture into this graham cracker crust, and I'm just gonna spread it out, make it all smooth and even it out so it gets to the edges. I'm using here a what is this called, an offset spatula. Same thing I ice my cakes with. I put the frosting on my cakes. I'm just using this to smooth it out a little better, honey. But it's really no worries on this cake. No worries on this pie. Everything very easy. You can use your spoon, use whatever you got. Okay, let's see. I want to show you this. Let me clean this up. So you're gonna just peel this little paper off, and it's got nice little recipes on it. Make some of them if you want to. But you see this little glue, this sticky glue that's on here? You gotta pull that glue off. It comes off real easy, and then you clean it up. Now you're gonna put it back on top of your pie, and this is wonderful for storing your pie. You eat a little bit of it, although you probably won't have nothing left. Then you put it in the refrigerator. Now I have put mine in the refrigerator and let it set up, and you need to let it set up about at least a couple couple of 3 hours. And if you know me, so you know I am not a big decorator. I don't do a lot of foo-foo stuff, but I can even do this. I'm just taking me a teaspoon and I am just getting me some little whipped topping and putting it right here on the top because I want it to look kind of cute, you know, for my grandkids and all. So I'm putting this whipped topping on, and I am going to come back after I get all the little whipped topping on. I'm going to come back and put me some maraschino cherries right on top of this Cool Whip. Now, I dried my cherries off. I placed them on a paper towel first so they won't be juicy and mess up the look of my pie. And then I'm just going to get these right on. Now, ain't that pretty for somebody who doesn't decorate food? Look at that. Isn't it gorgeous? But more than the look is inviting, but more than the look, wait until you taste this pie and wait until others taste it. They won't believe that you only put just a few minutes into making this. Actually, it spends more time in the refrigerator cooling than it does making it. Now get ready for your hands to be colored, whatever color you're going to use, because you don't have to use my color. You can use orange, and that's really good too. I got me a knife. Now this is a butter knife. I didn't want to use a sharp knife because I didn't want to punch a hole in the bottom of my pan because I got to put it back in the refrigerator and I didn't want any air getting to it. But I'm using a butter knife here, and when I was coming up, we used to call this a case knife. Any of y'all know anything about a case knife? Did y'all ever call this a case knife? That's an old world term. But anyway, a butter knife I'm using. And the first slice usually comes out raggedy. But honey, look at here. God is blessing me so today, because look at this. Looks good, doesn't it? So yeah, the first slice came out nice. Oh, looking really good. And I am going to have to taste this for you, honey. I got to let you know that it's good. I got to let you know that I do eat my own cooking. And look at this. Look. This is so simple. I love stuff like this. So simple and so good. So flavorful. Make this and take it somewhere for somebody, honey. Let them think that you just know how to make all these good, beautiful desserts. This is so good. And this is so simple. Tell people, what is this? You can give it a name like Flonsetta Poophay, or you could just call it Kool-Aid pie. It's good. Make up a fancy name, or just call it Kool-Aid pie. What kind you want? You want the purple one? You want the red one? Just get whatever color you want. Make it orange, red, purple, whatever color you want. Whatever flavor of Kool-Aid you want to use. Oh, this is just making me feel in such a fun mood. This pie is just so good. It makes you feel happy. It's gonna make your family feel happy too. They're gonna kiss you. They're gonna call you a kitchen rock star, honey, for just this little bit of work. This is A-okay. Look at that red thumb from that Kool-Aid. Hey guys, I appreciate you, and I thank you so much for coming by to see me today, checking on me. You wanted to see what I was doing, but you knew I would be throwing down, and I hope that I did not disappoint. You guys that are already subscribed to me, I appreciate you and I love you. Those that are not, please do subscribe and hit that red subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell until the parentheses come around that bell, and that way you'll receive a notice every time I put up a new video. Guys, give me a thumbs up. What did I say? Subscribe. Give me thumbs up. Visit me on TikTok. I'm on Facebook. I'm on Instagram as Meso Making It Everywhere. Y'all, I appreciate you. Leave me some comments, because you won't believe. I read your comments. I can't always respond to each and every one, but you guys won't believe how much I love hearing from you and hearing the recipes that you tried and how it worked out for you. Thank you, guys. Share my videos wherever you're active on social media, and I appreciate you so much for watching. You guys be good. Love somebody. Love yourself. But you know what? Show somebody you love them by sharing your food. Share your love. Share your food, guys. Bye-bye.